Hello everyone, welcome back. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Snapchat device ban. So without wasting any time, let's get started, and before start please do like, share and subscribe. The first thing that we have to do, we have to check the internet connection. We have to make sure that our device is connected to the stable and strong internet connection, and also refresh the internet connection. For that we are going to launch settings, tap on Wi-Fi, turn off Wi-Fi if you are using mobile or cellular data, also turn off mobile and cellular data, and force close all the apps that are running in the background and force restart your iPhone according to your iPhone model. After the force restart, connect to the internet and try to use the Snapchat. If you're facing the same issue, then what we have to do, we have to launch settings. Here we have to tap on general and tap software update and update your iPhone to a latest iOS version. If already updated, then tap on transfer or reset iPhone, then tap reset and tap reset network settings. Here we have to put iPhone passcode and tap again reset network settings to confirm. The next thing that we have to do, we have to tap and hold the App Store, tap on updates. Now check the list, is there is any update available for Snapchat. If there is, then we have to update the Snapchat app. If you're using any beta version on your iPhone, then you also face these kind of issue. So remove the beta profile and back to the stable version of iOS. Now launch settings and tap on general and tap iPhone storage. Under iPhone storage, find and tap on Snapchat and tap on offload app, then tap again offload app to confirm. Then force close all the apps that are running in the background and also tap and hold the Snapchat. Now tap remove app and tap delete app to confirm. After delete the app, wait for few seconds, back to the App Store and re-download the Snapchat. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.